Hey, so today I'm planning to make my mum's chicken pie, which is a family favourite, and I thought I'd show you how it's all done. So yeah, without further ado, I'll start the process. Right, okay, so we're going to sort of poach the chicken to start with. So I'm going to put in, let me get a chopping board. So I'm going to chop up a carrot, put that in, bit of celery, 4 bay leaves, right then whole chicken on top of those. Put in a reasonable amount of water in the bottom. A little bit more. Season it. Plenty of salt. Do this instead of peppercorns. Good grind of pepper. Lid on. And it's going in the oven at 180 degrees for an hour and a half. About an hour and a half later, and we have our chicken. Ooh, it smells good. And basically, explain. So basically, this chicken has been cooking in here for an hour and a half with all the vegetables and water, and that would have made a really nice broth in the bottom there. So the next stage we're going to do, once this chicken has cooled, we'll leave it for about an hour to sit in the pot, is I'm going to use this sauce to make a roux, and this will become the sauce for the pie along with some other ingredients. And then the meat of the chicken will flake off, and that will be the pie filling. So basically this is the makings of all your pie filling right in here. So it's really dead simple. So I'll show you the next stage in an hour's time. Right, my chicken's been resting for an hour now, and what I'm planning to do is take the chicken out and keep the liquor in there. So that's the first stage. I'm going to strain all my cooking broth through this colander and into this jug. Okay, I bought short crust pastry. I don't like making pastry and I find it a pain in the arse, and I don't think it tastes much different to buying a fairly decent brand from the supermarket. I've got 2 types. You could buy the same, but it saves a bit of trouble, but I've got one that's pre-rolled and one that's a block that I'm going to roll out myself. I'm just going to leave them to get a bit warmer so I can work them more easily. And in the meantime, I'm going to show you how I make the sauce for the pie. First of all, lemon zest of 1 lemon. Juice said lemon. And I'm going to put the zest into the juice so it's ready to just tip in. Set that aside. Cheddar. Nice strong cheddar cheese. I've got strength 5, nice strong mature one. I think the stronger the better. And we're going to grate some, a good handful. Cut the parsley. Take the band off. Chop. Right, so on the hob, over a medium heat, melt, I don't know, a knob of butter, like that. Right, so once the butter's melted, you add about the equivalent amount of flour as you did to butter. So just imagine a good sort of dessert spoon of flour. And then you heat that, stir it into the butter, that's sort of cooked in a bit, and you get like a sort of integrated buttery thing like that. And we're going to integrate our broth that we had from earlier from the chicken a little bit at a time. So you add a tiny bit, stir it in so that it's absorbed. Tiny bit more. Running, you can then just go to town, chuck it all in. Then whack up the heat to full and keep stirring it until it thickens up nicely. So we want to bring it to a boil and keep working it. Okay, well it's started to boil now and it's still quite thin. I think I've got a little bit too much liquid, so now it's brought to a boil, I can just leave it. I'm going to leave it to reduce down a bit till it's a good sort of thicker consistency. I'll show you anyway, I'll come back to it. Okay, so it's thickened up nicely now to a sort of thickish consistency. So now I'm going to take it over and add the other ingredients. Right, so I brought it over here. I'm going to dump in all my cheese, which is obviously going to further thicken it. My lemon juice, which will thin it down a little bit. Let's integrate the cheese first actually. Yeah. Lemon juice with zest. Parsley. Bit of Dijon mustard. Give it all a good stir. Give it a taste. Season it. Good. A little bit of salt. Pepper. Taste it again. Perfect. Cover the chicken. sure it's all coated. And that is your pie filling. Done. Now we just have to let this cool, and then we can put it into the pie dish, line the top, and bake it. Okay, I've just heated up the oven. My pie's chilled in the fridge for an hour or so, and we're going to bake it. Here we go. Pie. So that's done. We'll let that rest for a little bit before we cut into it. Right, I'm going to try and film me trying a pie, Casey Neistat style, holding onto the camera, so we'll see how that goes. I know what it tastes like because my mum makes it a lot, but I'll try it for the camera. It's good. Although I knew it would be.